Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert.
Today I am going to show you how to fix 2N3055 transistor in a heatsink. I already put holes for fixing one transistor. Later only I realized that if I can show you how to put holes and fix 2N3055, it will be more helpful to you. So we can start making holes for the second transistor. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. First thing is we need a piece of paper, white paper and small enough to hold the transistor. Next you need to align the legs of the transistor. It should not be bent and perfectly straight in condition. Then pierce the pin into the paper just like what I am doing. The transistor should stay tightly with the paper. Then do exactly what I am doing. This is a 2 mm drill bit. First use small drill bit for putting hole in metals. It will be easy for putting holes for smaller diameter. Then use a bigger bit for making the hole bigger. Now we need to make the hole a bit bigger. For that I am going to use 4.5 mm drill bit here. You need to know more about this transistor. Normally transistors has 3 pins, but you can see here it is having only 2 pins. Where is the third pin? I will tell you. You can see with respect to the pins, one side is having larger area. Here the right side of the pin is having more area than the left side. You can clearly visualize that, right? That means the length from the pin to leftmost tip and the length from the pins to rightmost tip is different. Hold the transistor in such a way that the larger area side will be on your right side. Now this pin is emitter, this pin is base, and the body metal can case is the collector. If you are fixing two transistors in an aluminum heatsink just like this, then both collectors of the transistors are in short because the collector terminal is the body of the transistor. For that you need an insulator for fixing this transistor. You can buy this from all electronic spare part shop. I will tell you what are the things inside. This is a mica sheet. This will insulate the body of the transistor from touching the heatsink metal. This washer will protect the nut and bolt from touching the heatsink body. We made a mistake. There is not enough room for fixing the insulator here in this side. So we will do one thing. We can fix the transistor on the opposite side. This is heatsink paste or heatsink component or silica paste. It has so many names. What is it called at your place? Please comment the name under this video. This is used for the smooth transition of heat from the metal surface to the other surface.
If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video so that we will know that.
This is the collector soldering pin, and this we will get along with the insulator pack. After fixing the transistors, use a multimeter and put it in continuity testing mode. Then check and make sure that there is no short circuit between pins and heatsink. Clean excess heatsink component from the sides of the transistors and heatsink. Another technique is to use the mica sheet for marking the holes. Please like and share this video among your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making new things like this for you.
This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.